Can we face this way?
Stop.
Go.
Hi, Rina.
Hi.
Can you cut the camera?
I'm Mary.
Introduce yourself first.
I'm Nina, your good friend. And well, it's your birthday. It's a surprise, and you are turning 15 this year, right?
Yeah.
15 this year. Very good. Yeah.
What can you say about her? About
You?
her personality?
You are sexy, good looking, very smart, and very pretty.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
You are so pretty. Surely a lot of guys chase you now. One of them is it lighting? No, I'm kidding.
Go.
Yes. About what can you say about her?
She's
Is
she's
she-
one of the most prettiest Filipino girls I ever seen. I'm not saying you're not pretty lah, you're also pretty lah. And
Is she talkative at class or?
yeah, she's very talkative, but she's also okay lah, quite good lah. She don't have any bad thing. She like to play. Like
What
to play.
kind of play? What kind of games?
Actually, I don't know what game. She like to play. I mean those kind of the bit here, bit there lah. Then that she hit me very hard.
You're so bad.
Yeah, Mary is so bad. And
Any message for her?
Mary, I love you so much. Mwah, happy birthday. Okay?
That's all?
Huh?
That's all?
Okay. Yeah. Say the one. Can you stay in Singapore, right? You should be staying in Singapore, right?
I think so.
You don't stay in Singapore, I slap your face. You better stay in Singapore. Because right, you don't stay in Singapore, you go back Philippines, I go with you to Philippines. Okay? If you stay in Singapore, I stay in Singapore also. So you must stay in Sochi now. Hope next year go same class as Christine.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. So bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Thank po, si Sasmi naman po, ang isa sa kanyang ulit, wag yun.
Eh! Na-play na!
Ulit. Okay, we're going to interview Sasmi now. Hi,
Hi.
Sasmi. Hi.
Must look here.
Okay. Yeah. What can you say about Johnny?
What can I... Oh,
About her, yeah, personality.
Okay. She very cute. Like she's not like not arrogant lah. When she look at me, then I mean when she saw me, then she very kind lah, very polite. Then sometimes she help me with certain things.
Unbelievable. No. What does she do at class?
Art class.
Yeah. In your class.
Oh, in art class or in my class?
In your class.
Oh, she always be quiet. She never talk. She like Monina. She always keep quiet. Then always study. I never see her see her talk lah, but only when like free time like that she will talk. But she usually pay attention in class.
Is she friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
What else? Any message for her?
Message for her birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to wish you happy birthday to you. I'm sorry I cannot come to your party because I got something on, but I just want to wish you happy birthday and hope your dreams come true.
Well, it's okay if you cannot come. She'll understand.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Bye.
Hey, ito po si Louie.
Hello.
Louie.
Okay, go.
Hi, Louie.
Hi. Hi, Mary.
What's that?
The fight.
Ew. You're so gross.
Okay, Mary, your friend?
Of course, my classmate.
Look
Can you say
here.
about her?
She is kind. She looks sweet. Study hard, hardworking.
Why you do like this?
Huh?
You're joking, right?
Just my style.
Your
For
style,
fun.
okay. This one I know. Any message for her birthday?
Have fun.
That's all?
I don't have an idea.
Just say anything.
Have a good boyfriend in 2009. Most handsome guy.
Like who?
Like Lukindra, Anu lah. Brad Pitt or whatever. Tom Cruise or whatever.
Legendra, very good.
So,
Is she very quiet in class?
Yeah, quite honest. Like cannot talk.
What does she do?
Sit down, talk with Monina.
Monina only?
Talk with Helen, talk with Vignesh. Talk lah.
Vignesh, ew.
Handsome one.
Are you close?
Not really. Just friends, something like normal friends.
What else do you want to say?
Again.
I cannot think of any questions.
Very stupid. No lah. Okay,
You're more
friends.
stupid.
That's all.
Funny.
Say bye.
Bye.
Go.
Ito naman po si Shanti yung lagi naka-jacket.
Oh.
Yan. Hi Shanti.
Hi.
Do you know me?
Yeah, by my friends.
Okay. But you know Janeline, right?
Yeah.
Your classmate.
Yeah, she is.
Are you talking to her?
Yeah, I do every time. Can say that.
What can you say about her personality?
About her. She's very good. I like her attitude.
What's her attitude?
In her attitude in the order, can say that she's very friendly to everyone. You ask her
Very nice.
Nothing. You ask her anything, she will respond you in a good answer, and I can't say anything because she's totally out of my word. She's very good.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Anything more?
Any message?
For her birthday.
I wish her a very, very, very well birthday, and whatever she wish will be completed, and whatever she want will become true.
I think she wants to know why you're always wearing jacket.
Oh, jacket! I love to wear jacket, but I
But
feel
it's
cold.
very hot.
No, don't know. Sometimes actually in my own way, I feel sick and I don't know. I have a habit to wear jacket. I can't tahan without it. I have to. Can say that in one way.
Thank you, Nakano.
Thank you.
谢谢，拜拜。
Bye.
Bye.